Hi, I'm Aleesah Darlison and welcome to another episode of Writing Fun. Today we're going to be talking about writing rhyme. Now I absolutely love writing. As you probably know, I'm the author of the League of Llamas Series, among many other books. Today we are going to write a fun llama-inspired poem. Okay, so there will be llamas, there might even be some pajamas and maybe a few farmers. So let's explore how to write a fun rhyming poem. But to start off, I would always do a little bit of brainstorming, a little bit of planning. It does go a long way. So I will try to think about what I'm trying to write, what I'm trying to say with my writing, because a poem still can have a narrative, and a poem should still make sense, even if it is a little bit silly. So let's have a think about some different ideas and different words we can use that will rhyme.
Now my first list is going to be words that rhyme with llama. So that would be pajama, farmer, karma, mama, and a llama. We can make that one up. Using some of the words that we've just listed as rhyming words, I've come up with this little poem. There once was a llama and her name was Mama. Eloise Llamaresque was her daughter, and everything she knew, her mama llama taught her. So that's a little poem focusing on Eloise from the League of Llamas Series, and of course her mother, Mama Llama, is the head of LOL HQ. My next list of words will be ones that rhyme with cool. I think Philippe Lamar from the League of Llamas Series is quite cool, so let's have a look. We'll do a poem about him next, and we need some rhyming words. So, words that rhyme with cool are school, fool, tool, pull, stool, and drool. There's probably quite a few more, but that will give us enough material to start off with. And now I've come up with this rhyme about Philippe. Philippe Lamar, he's the best, a better llama spy than all the rest. Handsome, clever, charming and cool, this LOL agent is nobody's fool. Ha ha, I quite like that. What do you think?
So there you have it. That's how you create a fun, simple little rhyming poem about llamas. I would love to see what you've created after today's session. So if you want to email me a copy of your poem, you can get in touch with me through my website, aleesahdarlison.com, or via Instagram, where you can find me at Aleesah_Darlison. I'd love to hear from you. So please send me your llama poem. Thank you and happy writing.